Okay, day one. This is my first Comic-Con. Can't wait to meet you guys. Yay. So we're walking behind the scenes to go to a green room. And then we're gonna start meeting the fans. Yay. Right, we're intruding in your space. Although I always love being in a kitchen. Thank you, sir. Alright. We're in the green room right now, so it's a bunch of tables, empty tables right now. Buffet getting set up here.
Laura, you're going to be great today, seriously. It's
Thank
the Motor
you.
City Con.
She's, I'm getting the lowdown on on what to do.
Kate Flannery giving Laura every bit of advice that she doesn't need. She's a rock star.
This is kind of fun. This is like a 70s theme. I just realized it's like 70s theme. Is this supposed to be the basement? I think that's the basement set in the Foreman basement. I think that's what that is.
Amazing. That is.
That's pretty great. I might have to take one of these for my kids. Even though they have no idea what 70s show is. So is this your spot? I guess so. Let's do it. I'm a little nervous. So this is Cheryl. Hi. And so Cheryl sent me a fan letter when I was starting 70s, and I wrote her back, and this is the letter that I sent her. Thank you for bringing this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's amazing.
That's cute. Oh, I love this photo. I love this photo of me and Taylor.
Get in there.
All right. What do I do?
Just be you. You're coming in, right?
What do I do best? I love All right, it's day 2. Ready to meet the fans. I'm excited. I've never seen anything like this. It's awesome. Okay, so we're walking to the panel. I'm doing a panel now. So that's cool. I'm going to answer your guys' questions. And we're going to hang out for a bit.
Are we ready, Motor City? This is Laura's very first convention, so this is her very first panel. The little ducks started at the last show. They just randomly start appearing.
Great.
And they're just kind of around.
I love it. My favorite episodes in general, and anybody on the cast, if you ask them this, they'd probably answer it the same way, was when we were either just together in the basement or like with the parents in the Hoffman house, Just like the basic like crew together. Those were probably my favorite episodes when we were together. Well, thank you guys for
Thank you guys. Put your hands together for Laura.
It was great. Everyone's so sweet and lovely.
You got a duck?
I did. It's in my pocket. What's the duck thing? People leave more off?
It's just a silly thing. We're
Is this a thing that happens here?
somebody.
Yeah.
Photo op? Oh, thank you. All right, guys, that's a wrap on Motor City Comic Con. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I can't wait till next time. This is a blast.